So this is a new fridge, beko, which can have a 10 years guarantee. Up there, I think you can just about make it. That's the AC system. Got the Harvest Fresh, as you can see. It's the interior. It's got a number 2. We don't have it on yet because we're letting it sit for 6 hours, as recommended. And the model or the serial number shows that this fridge is brand new for this year, as it says 2022 there. 22 meaning this year, so this is actually new for this year. This is the door. Of course, you can see there's Harvest Fresh. And the drawer is actually on some rollers. There's the Harvest Fresh light. And that's a fridge. And the freezer. As you can see, this model has the metal grill. It's got 4 shelves or 4 drawers. So they open up like that. And there we go. That there is the new beko Harvest Fresh, new for 2022 fridge freezer. Thanks for watching.